Hi everyone, Chanel de LAU here, Miss CURAÇAO, and together with Miss Canada.
Hi.
We had an amazing day today. We actually started off with rehearsals for the first time, so that was pretty cool.
It was fun.
And we also got jackets from Wow Win, a game show here in the Philippines. And yeah, our day's been great. I actually wanted to express for all the concerns everybody's had about me yesterday. I wasn't feeling well up on that stage and it was really hot. And a lot of the girls were pretty concerned too, but I'm fine. The other girls are also fine. It was just really, really hot. And we were standing up there for quite a while in heels.
Yes, always.
No blood circulation.
No.
So, but turbos nang ko ta based the wari over to me. Mita bong na wari bos nang mitay fuerte anto mahas mi bas awe anto mi sige has mi bas mayang otro mayang tena final mi stima bos nang masha opi mes danke patura support. Sorry for that.
She's doing great though, that's all I can say.
Yeah, so love you guys. Kisses. Bye.